Ano sabi niya? This is my pocket. Okay. From Morocco, I wish you good health and happiness. Thank you, guys. No, thank you from Morocco country. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Welcome in my daily live YouTube channel, guys. For viewers. Okay, natin yung ating ulam na nagkahalagang 200 pesos. Okay, thank you, guys. Parang may dalawa no? Yung ano kagabi, may dalawa natira kagabi. Sayang mo. Ang init to. So, ito na po ang ating lady finger, no? Anong sabi ni from Morocco? You are skilled, are beautiful, cook, and elegant and graceful. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yes, I really love singing and cook, guys. Ayan na po, luto na po yung ating lady finger. This is good for health, guys. So, this is really good for health, no? When you eat this every day. Pangdagdag ng mga cells natin. Wow, charot. Sana all. And then, isusunod na natin yung ating this sweet potato, guys. This sweet potato, guys, is color orange. They said, okay? I don't know it's really true. No? Sweet potato, guys. And lagyan lang natin ng tubig. Lagyan natin ng tubig. Dessert natin dito. Pagkatapos natin kumain. I wish is really sweet. Asa man ang taklog, ani. More, kao na more. Okay. Kauna mo. Hindi ko pala nadaanan yung ano doon. Mineral. Ba yan? Kalipat ko. Ay, ba yan? Nagbaha na. Aris. Thank you. The best food. Thank you, guys. Nagawa po akong kalamansi juice, guys, kasi yung gagawin ko yung aking partner. Kasi pagod magbantay o tubig.